Kikubor kibabnya. Myntri Rangbah kejala konrad ke sangma han kesngi ula Plie ya ke MRI NAZARETH Hospital Shillong. Myntri Rangbah ulang ba kajing don jong ke MRI ha kani kejaka sumar kan long umau mer ha kaban penbiang ye kelat jing sumar kibapaka. Ulang ru ba kasinjam bala shim da kesorkar ha kaleng kakot ke kya kamkut tang ha kaban terwai kelat jing sumar hanrei kapan li jing mot ya kajing long jeman jong ketenat hi barok kawai. Ke CMSDF kalau penbiang absen lak tengka nak bantah ke kor MRI bat nak kaliang Myntri Rangbah ula ai syu sa absen lak tengka.
But I can share with you that we are having a very important meeting of the cabinet day after tomorrow in which major decisions will be made regarding the medical colleges of our state. We have been working on this for the last many months. In fact, it started in the last term itself. But day after tomorrow, we'll be making some major announcements. Our Honorable Health Minister will make the announcements after we've passed in the cabinet, where we will be announcing the plans for at least 3 medical colleges that are there, and we'll be putting in a timeline on how long it will take. At the same time, the money that's going to be spent on it and the working mechanism in which it will happen.